What up guys, it's me Mel, back again with another trusty video with me and my soul. Today I'm going to be working on restoring the black plastic that's on my car. If you know my car is completely black, so fixing the black plastic on it is gonna just give it that little to it. Before I get into that, if you are not following, please do follow, subscribe to all the platforms that I have. I don't just talk about my car. I talk about other things too if you're interested, more motivational things, relationship stuff. Also, I'm going to be using for this plastic restoration project. I'm going to be using this thing. No, this is not a sponsor, but I'm just showing you what I use. I will show you before, after, and yeah, let's get this thing going. You're going to need a bucket, water, soap, and sponge. You'll also need the Restore applicator, gloves, and sponge to apply. And last but not least, you will need a wonderful car. So for instructions, it says to just apply it to the plastic, but I feel like because my plastic is a little bit dirty, I'm gonna like scrub it a little bit and see if I can get as much dirt off as I can. So here I'm applying a small dime size amount to the sponge applicator and going section by section on this part of the car, making sure to go very carefully around the edges to not get it on the car paint. If it does get on the car paint, it will damage it, so I strongly recommend you take your time as you apply this on the plastic. Alright, so I got everything done. 2 coats. I probably want to use a fourth of the restoration stuff. But it did come out pretty clean. I haven't done the front. The front is going to be a little bit more detail work, but for the video's sake, I did get this stuff done. So I'll just show you real quick. So this looks way better than it did before. I'll put it side by side. But yeah, the process was very simple. Clean cloths, clean the spot, gloves, and just be patient and take your time. Do not get it on your actual car, because I did get it on the plastic of the gray plastic underneath my car, and it's like black smudge stuff on it. So yeah, don't get it on anything other than the spot that it's supposed to go. That's my tidbit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel inclined, which I strongly suggest you do, follow me on my other platforms for all types of inspirational encouragement to do stuff like this on your car. And yeah, see you later. Peace.